Okay. Nag-umpisa po itong partisipasyon ko sa ZTE-NBN sometime late September ng 2006 nung pinakilala po sa akin ni Secretary Neri si Chairman Abalos sa Wakwak because Chairman Abalos daw wanted to pursue a telecom project in government. And usually sa mga ganyang pag-uusap, the Secretary would always invite me. Ang nandun po yung sa meeting namin, usually with Chairman Abalos, si Ruben Reyes, si Leo San Miguel, no? And yung mga taga-ZTE, si Yuyong sa si Fanyan. Ayun naman yun, yung very light lunch, kwento-kwentuhan. And then sabi yun ni Secretary Neri, June, anong tingin mo? Sabi ko, yes, it's a project. So sabi niya, sabi niya kasi Chairman Abalos, Chairman Abalos course it through the proper channels. And a few weeks after that, and the first NBN proposal came through from CICT to NEDA. No? And the Secretary gave me a draft of it. And then sabi niya, Jun, pag-aralan mo, tingnan mo kung ano yung mga nandito. I remembered reviewing the document, especially the financials. Thank you. Sabi ko, the most salient point that I could remember out of that, sanay naman po ako tumingin ng mga project study, is the financial basis for the entire financial projection. They have so many spreadsheets of financial justification. But what struck me the most was yung basis nila of government telecom expenses, dahil yung ginamit nila na para maging basihan ng kanilang napakaraming projection, they took it from a tabloid. They took it from an Abante Tonight na September 20, 2006 issue. From that fact alone, I said, how the heck will a multi-billion peso project of government be based upon figures coming from a tabloid? Yun ang sinabi ko kay Romy. Sabi ko, ay ko walang laman yan.